Realtime Partner account login. Go to the website realtimebiometrics.com. Click on Partner Login. Enter dealer code, password. Click on Sign In. How to claim your reward. Click on Rewards. Enroll your device. Enter your device serial number. Click on Verify. Upload device image. Click on Claim Device. How to manage your cloud customer. Click on Manage Cloud. You can see your all customer here. Now you can do your customer software renewal yourself or deactivate the account. Successfully updated. Go to onlinerealsoft.com. Enter corporate ID. Username. Password. Click on Login. Your account is not active. Please contact customer support. Successfully updated. How to track your repairing device. Click on Repair. You will see your all device which received in real-time biometrics for repairing. You can track its status and its dispatch. You can search your device from serial number. How to update your support number. Click on Support. Now you can update your engineer's number yourself for IVR support. Updated successfully. Real-time power of biometrics.